Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to start with a preamble on the status of private security industry in the past and today, before coming on to the main subject of security management by PSAs in COVID times. Chowkidar, watchman, caretaker, attendant, bahadur, and or just plain bhaiya are few adjectives or names by which PSA personnel have been addressed over the years and unfortunately till date too. It has been a constant endeavor of members of a fraternity pan India to try and remove this skewed perspective of end users. The PSI is equally to blame for this ignominy. However, with the opening up of the economy and demand for professional services increasing, some changes were seen in the private security industry too. With the inception of CAPSI and the enactment of PASARA, the private security industry started getting a professional recognition. However, any association is only as strong, respected, and relevant as its members want it to be. Alas, despite CAPSI taking all the right initiatives, the private security in itself was very self centric and profit maximization oriented. This led to the private security industry getting a bad name despite rigorous efforts by CAPSI and like minded companies across India to get the PSI its due under the sun. Time immemorial, it has been seen that riches have been made by nations and people alike on human suffering, especially in times of war and calamities. However, the people's spirit to serve humanity has always prevailed to tide over such arduous times. Similar has been the period faced by the world since December 2019 and in particular by India since March 2020 with the onset of this terrible disease, namely COVID 19, which has become the nemesis of every nation on earth. With its burgeoning population, lack of medical infrastructure, ignorance of masses, huge transient labor force, daily wages, dearth of life saving drugs, shortage of oxygen, ventilators, ICU, and hospital beds, ambulance services, and last ride services also being in short supply, medical staff and doctors being stretched beyond limits, India has faced mayhem during this national emergency. The nation has come out as one in praise of its frontline warriors who have worked round the clock even when the nation was under lockdown. Be it our doctors and medical fraternity, facility and sanitation services, various NGOs, government department officers, etc., and our very own private security companies and its personnel. The PSI finally came of age and got its justified importance and respect from the nation at large. As in normal life, during these COVID 19 pandemic times, in any institution, colony, RWA, hospital, office, industrial and commercial unit, traffic management, ration distribution, and even in helping taking people to hospitals and helping in cremation services, the private security personnel have been at the forefront by being the first point of contact along with the respective counterparts. Every person has come forward and performed duty beyond his, her scope of work and without fear for their own lives. When the whole country was in lockdown, there was mass exodus of people to their native villages. It was our PSI personnel who stood their ground against all odds. The PSI in its entirety came forward to serve, be it the HR and accounts teams, to prepare salaries, distribute advances, help out with PF withdrawals, help with ESI requirements of deployed personnel, be it the operations team who visited all personnel to know of their well being, allay their fears, and keep them motivated, and at places ensure ration and food was delivered on post. The management teams were busy ensuring that all requisite permissions were in place to function smoothly, was helping clients relocate men and material, to seamlessly make work from home possible for them, was following up for urgent release of funds by clients of financial institutions to ensure timely payments can be made to the personnel. Similarly, other departments pitched in with help. Heroes, of course, were a personnel deployed on ground who made the entire nation wake up to the importance of that once forgotten man who, during the COVID pandemic times, became hugely important for everyone's day to day life by making them feel safe, be it in a RWA or a hospital. Besides their general duties, our personnel ensured that people followed the COVID 19 protocols of social distancing, sanitization, mask wearing, etc. During this time, our personnel went from being chowkidars to being uniformed private security personnel. People now looked and addressed them with gratitude and respect, with numerous stories of how these common people did uncommon things doing the rounds. When in future stories of this disease are being written, none shall be complete without a prominent mention of the private security industry and our personnel. Today, for our clients, a once wasteful expenditure on a dispensable service is no longer a cost in its expense sheet, but an investment in an essential service for the functioning of an organization. I end with a word of caution, though, that just like in times of war, when there is a lot of jingoism across the populace and defense services are romanticized, but immediately on end of hostilities, the sacrifices and hardships faced by the soldiers are forgotten from public memory. Similarly, the gains made by the PSA and its personnel during the COVID 19 times should not be lost. And we need to build up constantly on the gains by keeping our services relevant, by providing trained personnel to our clients and to ensure their on site training, by being compliant and conscientious employers, by providing various certifications to our personnel for helping them secure overseas employment and also in key government sites within India, thereby making the private security industry an attractive career option. Also, by taking quality certifications like star rating for our companies to secure better rates from our clients and more business opportunities. All this to ensure that PSA services are never again going to be marginalized as a wasteful expenditure ever again. Thank you and Jai Hind.